Hello guys, we're now going to the cottage. Look, ayan o. Nagpakap kami ng dadali namin sa cottage. So may partner. Ayan. Ew. Ito na kami, pasakay namin sa sasakyan. Here.
Oh my god.
Lobat?
There's no battery in this one. This is diesel. I thought there were no diesel, but there is plenty.